issue. These are the Felpro 1094s. They're steel shim gasket. Apparently, I thought I used these in the past, but maybe a different part number. Apparently they have some kind of rubber coating on them. Yes, it's peeling off because I hit it with some brake clean. Get this coating off. Because it says right in the little guide piece of paper, if your block hasn't been machined to a specific roughness scale, and I didn't send that block out, so that you have to put a coating on it. So I like to use this stuff. I use it anyway. It helps, especially when you're using these steel shims. It's not like an MLS gasket where it's gonna conform to the little imperfections in the head or the block. These gaskets will not do that. So you gotta be pretty clean, and you gotta use something like this. You just do. Well, the first gasket, I sprayed it on and the rubber coating, they felt a little sticky. I was like, oh, what's that? But I sprayed it and it freaked out like when you spray paint on the wrong kind of paint. So I had to wipe it all down. So this one, I'm just gonna take the rubber coating off and then I'm gonna hit it with the copper coat. And you can see the rubber coating peeling up, and there's where I've wiped it. It's clean steel. Like I said, I've used steel shim gaskets, Felpros in the past. I thought they were the 1094s. Maybe they make one that doesn't have the rubber coating. Or maybe they make it with the rubber coating now because people had issues in the past. I don't know. But whatever. I've taken this coating off. It was rubbing off with my thumb too, before I even hit it with anything. That I just didn't like the idea of that. So bit of brake clean, wipe it down, wipe the rubber goo off, and then give it a squirt.